So I've got this nice little egg box here for storing your eggs. You can put this on the counter with your farm fresh eggs, or you can use this inside your refrigerator with your store-bought eggs. This holds 30 eggs. It's very lightweight. I like that it has a slim design so it can fit even in the door of your fridge. It has these little handles on the side here so you can put your hands in and you can easily transport your eggs from one area to another. It also has this cool flip up design to make each tier easier to get to. So I'm going to show what this looks like here with your eggs in here. It's got nice deep holes so that it holds the eggs really securely in place, and it's really easy to fill. With it flipped up like this, I can get to the bottom really easily. And then once I get done with this, I'll be able to go to my next shelf here. And I just pull it down and it's automatically ready to go. So I'm going to fit 10 more eggs. There are 10 per shelf. And since I buy my eggs in the big box, this actually gives me a much better storage option in my refrigerator. And then now that I'm done with that shelf, I'm just going to push down on that. And I'm ready for my last one here. You can see how nice these all look in here. And they're easily accessible as well. I can just quickly get them out of my fridge, which saves me time. And I got them all in there. You can see that. Very cool.